The future of the BMW M3 is shaping up to be more interesting than many enthusiasts expected, and the big takeaway is that BMW is not choosing one path at the expense of the other. Instead, the brand is clearly preparing for a dual approach that keeps gasoline power alive while also embracing full electrification. Based on product cycles, internal strategy, and how BMW has positioned its performance lineup so far, we can confidently expect the next generation BMW M3 to arrive around 2027. What matters most to longtime M3 fans is that the gasoline-powered M3 is not going away. BMW understands exactly what the M3 represents. It is not just a fast sedan, it is a balance of power, feedback, sound, and usability that has built a loyal following for decades. That is why the upcoming M3 is expected to continue using a turbocharged inline-six engine paired with rear-wheel drive and optional all-wheel drive. The 2027 timeframe makes sense when you look at how BMW develops its vehicles. The current M3 generation has been on sale for several years, and BMW typically follows a development cycle that spans roughly 7 to 8 years for a full generational change. That places the next gasoline M3 squarely in the 2027 window. At the same time, BMW is not ignoring the future. A fully electric M3 is also in development, but it will be a separate model, not a replacement. This electric M3 will be built on BMW next-generation electric architecture and will focus on delivering extreme performance through advanced software and multiple electric motors. There is no indication that a hybrid M3 is part of the plan. BMW appears to believe that keeping the gasoline M3 pure and the electric M3 fully electric is the best solution. If you enjoyed this breakdown, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future updates.